Why is it not working? It's too blurry.
It's because you're too close, Dad.
Okay, hi guys. Some of you are preparing for exams, especially here in the UK. I am an English teacher. My name is Mr. Bella. My wife also teaches English, and we both homeschool our children. We looked around and couldn't find interesting English lessons to use. So, we decided to create our own and share them with you. Now, we tried to make our lessons different from what else is online, but we would like to know what you think of them. Why not have a look at our website and send us your feedback? Head to thebellas.club. Have a look at our English lessons which we've already uploaded. They are free to use and we have a lot more coming. And if you keep an eye on our social media pages, you'll know once we've uploaded the new ones. You can find us on YouTube, TikTok, on Instagram. We also have our WhatsApp channel. Right now, we're focusing on exams because they are coming up. But it's not just exam revision that we are here for. Our English club is for different age groups. If you are 16 or under studying English, we've got you covered. We have a club for young writers as well, where we'll help you with your writing and publishing. You can find out more about it on this Instagram page. Right, before I go, don't forget to get in touch with any ideas of what you would like to see. But of course, ask your parents or grown up first. Hayden, I'm done. How do you switch this off? Ah, that's it. Thank you.